Discover the Upton Brown cabinet line at CabinetSelect.com. Unveiling shaker-style elegance, these cabinets are crafted from rustic maple, embodying a distinctive variegated wood charm, all bathed in a rich, rustic brown stain. Admire the meticulous construction with 1 1/4 inch overlay solid rustic maple doors, 1/2 inch thick plywood boxes, and robust dovetail drawers, ensuring lasting resilience. Experience seamless interactions with Bremen soft close features and relish the interiors finished in natural maple. With our straightforward instructions, you can easily assemble these sophisticated cabinets in 15 to 20 minutes. Every piece is backed by a limited 5-year warranty, blending sophistication with rustic allure. Explore the world of Upton Brown at CabinetSelect.com. Affordable cabinets shipped to your door.